All right, this is Miss Imel. I am just going to run through some notes with you. I'm going to share this through video, and then I'm going to also post a picture of it so you have it. This is to help you going forward as we go through this unit. You can use this on your 4-box checkpoint on Friday that you're going to take, and it's for you to have. So I just want to go through so you understand what to do, and I want to give you the explanations of it. So first off is some vocabulary. And I have some definitions, and then this one I gave the words. So let's look at the definitions first. I have numbers greater than 0. If I have numbers greater than 0, then those are going to be positive numbers. That means negative numbers are numbers less than 0. Now, I have positive numbers are greater than 0, negative numbers are less. When I have the set of all whole numbers and their opposites, so all whole numbers are numbers that are not fractions, they're not decimals, they're just like solid numbers. Those are called integers. So an integer is any positive or negative whole number. And then lastly, the two numbers that are the same distance away from 0, those are called opposites. So if I have 2 and negative 2, those are both integers and opposites. If I have 10 and negative 10, those are both integers and opposites. 1 million and negative 1 million, again, integers and opposites. So next up are some examples of words that we could use as positive numbers. So some examples would be like the word increase. If something is going to increase, it gets bigger, so it's positive. Let's say I'm babysitting, or I'm doing yard work, I'm doing my chores, I'm doing a job. If I'm working really hard, I would expect to get paid. So getting paid is another example. I've got to make my money. If I'm climbing a mountain, I'm going to be going up, so goes up. And this was in the pre-assessment, that picture of the mountain that they were climbing. There was a word that started with an A, and that word is ascend. If I ascend something, that means I'm going up. In the summer, the temperatures are going to make you sweat, make you feel like, oh, that's me like fanning myself and making a face. Sorry, that was weird. Anyway, in the summer when the temperatures go up, you're going to feel hotter or warmer. If I am in a helicopter and I go off the ground, I'm going to be going higher. Let's say my grandma is making my favorite kind of cookie. I'm not going to want just one, I'm going to want more. If I am getting onto the freeway with my car, I'm not going to go slow, I'm going to go faster. If I'm almost to my destination, I stop to get gas in my car or get a drink, go to the bathroom, whatever. I still have a little bit further to go. And then lastly, if I have the water line, what's above it is above sea level. So words that would mean the opposite, negative, those are just opposite words. So opposite of increase, decrease. Opposite of getting paid, I have to pay my bills. After I get paid, that's what I do. If I go up, I always have to go down, so goes down. The opposite of ascend, same thing. If I'm ascending, I have to descend. In the winter, temperatures go down, so I feel colder or cooler. Opposite of higher is lower. Opposite of more, less. Instead of going faster, I go slower. further, shorter, and then below sea level. So all of these words mean positive and negative numbers. So now if I have a number line, I need to know what side my positive and negative numbers are. Here's 0. Anything that's over this way is going to be positive. And anything going this way, that's an arrow, is going to be negative. So negative is on the left, positive is on the right. A few examples. Let's say I have this number line. This is telling me to plot. The word plot means I just put a dot. I have to plot 4 and its opposite. So 4 is going to be easy. I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Label it. And if I go back to the definitions, two numbers that are the same distance away from 0, I'm going to just count 4 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4. Same thing if I start with the negative. 1, 2, 3, negative 3. Go this way, 1, 2, 3, positive 3. Whoops, sorry, that just got out of focus. And lastly, looking for key words. What integer, remember that's a positive or negative number, whole number, would we use to represent spending $7? So if I'm spending, I'm having to pay for something, that means I would be at negative $7. Okay, negative 7. And then what integer would we use to represent a temperature change decreasing, so going down? It would be negative 6 degrees Fahrenheit. So looking for those words that we wrote down, looking for number lines, that's going to help. So if you are still confused on any of this, please let me know. And I will post more instructions for you tomorrow of what we're doing. Tomorrow is just going to be, we have to finish notes in our class, and then we're going to be playing a card game. So nothing big for you to do tomorrow for math, and then Friday we'll do that 4-box checkpoint. And there's a chance you could join our Book It still. So if you are logged in during class time on Friday, you'll be able to do that. But I'll send that information tomorrow. And again, if you have questions, just let me know. I miss you guys, and I hope you're all feeling healthy and better and all of that. So rest up, and we will see you hopefully soon.